Bulavinaka, and a very good day to you all. The members of the respective youth clubs, brothers and sisters, the members of the media, and friends. While we all note and acknowledge that 2020 was a difficult year, that is in terms of COVID-19 pandemic, cyclone, and as we entered 2021, we had to experience the floods. So we can imagine the pain that the families went through. And the only way we can all return to our normal lives is if we care for one another and work together. This program, as mentioned earlier on, is one such example of us providing you those opportunities and to be connected to one another. Provide employment, which is the very reason why we want to ensure the participation of youths to take up farming to help and sustain the agriculture sector. Ladies and gentlemen, brothers and sisters, today I'm here to hand over this farming assistance to Coronambo Youth Club and Faster Youth Club. This assistance is made up of forks, spades, sprayers, watering cans, cane knives, barbed wires, vegetable seedlings, materials for the nursery, and funding for the land preparation. At this juncture, I would like, on behalf of Ministry, I would like to thank the landowners in agreeing to consent the land for the youths to utilize the unutilized land. I'm also pleased to note that a total of 41 youths will benefit as a result. To those receiving the youth grant today, this is the beginning of your journey and reaching new heights in your life. The future lies in our young people despite the challenges. Just yesterday, we handed over this similar assistance to a total of 55 youths from 2 different youth clubs. This program will assist our youth, as I mentioned earlier on, to utilize the unutilized land for agriculture farming. We have seen there is a lot of vacant land, and we would like to acknowledge this partnership between the Ministry of Youth and Sports, youth clubs, and the landowners. With the help of your government, we will ensure that communities and stakeholders will work together for a more integrated approach to lead food reaching the needy so that there will be food on your plate. I know it's quite hot. I'm not going to be long. So with these few words, once again, I want to thank you for being here, and I want to congratulate all of you and wish you all well in your health and future endeavors. Vinaka, and thank you.
Sana sure di na president